Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from DraftingServices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I'm on Central Park West, and that's Central Park out the window there. And I'm in a first floor apartment. This apartment is a new purchase. It's going to be gut renovation, and it has kind of a shotgun layout. It was used as an office, and the new owner actually lives in the upper floor of the building, and he's going to use it also as an office but slash guest quarters. So this room right here is going to be turned into a guest bedroom. Straight ahead there you can see through the door there's a bathroom, and then from that point forward it's going to be his office space. Also with the shared kitchen. So right there we have a closet, and then this is the straight run down the apartment. The front door straight ahead. There is a closet on the left, and then there is a kitchen and two more rooms on the right. Here's the kitchen. Here's that other room. And here's the final room. So this is what I'm working on today. I'm going to create floor plan drawings, a reflected ceiling plan, and also an electrical plan of the apartment. And that's it. I wanted to show you around. Thanks for checking out my video. If you're ever in need of existing condition drawings of whether it's an apartment or any other type of structure in the city, around the city, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Have a fantastic day.